Are there any emerging areas within alternative investments? Great question, Michael. Emerging areas, don't really know what you mean by emerging areas, but there are certainly, evolutions that private equity, venture capital, real estate, and hedge funds are taking. Anybody who's familiar with the industry really knows that the industry is relatively young. The concept of buyouts really only came about as the late 70s and really kind of gained traction in the 80s. So the industry is very, very young, and as you pay attention, you'll see the evolutions. One of the main evolutions will be, of course, hedge funds going to no lockups or 60-day notices for withdrawals and redemptions. Emerging areas, I would say, within alternative investments. This, of course, the world of capital introduction is one of them. The world of deal sourcing is another, and a lot of GPs and funds might begin to outsource some of the heavy lifting and inefficient processes that they normally might have had. I can cite one specific example there was my work at Stacks, where private equity funds were outsourcing some of their initial due diligence on prospective targets due to the fact that they might have been wasting so much time up front looking at companies where, for a relatively small price, they could pay another firm to look into that company at first, determine product market fit, proof of concept, and see if it might be a better fit within their overall portfolio.